Have you ever found yourself longing to exercise at home, but faced the conundrum of not having the right equipment? Well, worry no more. Today, we delve into a simple solution that not only saves your pocket, but also brings the gym right to your living room. This is the craft of creating a resistance band at home. First things first, gather the necessary materials. These include 2 lengths of strong flexible tubing, a pair of scissors, 2 strong handles and some duct tape. Remember, the tubing should be flexible yet strong enough to withstand tension. You can find these materials at your local hardware store or online. Now, on to the first step. Cut the tubing into 2 equal lengths. The length will depend on how much resistance you desire. Longer bands will provide less resistance, while shorter ones will provide more. So, choose wisely. Next, slide one handle onto each end of the tubing. Ensure the handle is sitting comfortably at the end of the tube. This is where the magic happens, where your ordinary tubing transforms into a potential fitness tool. The third step involves securing the handles. Wrap the duct tape around the area where the handle meets the tubing. Do this tightly and ensure it's secure. This is the part that keeps everything together, so take your time and do it right. Now, you have a fully functional resistance band. But the process doesn't stop there. It's time to test it out. Pull on the handles and stretch the band. Does it hold up well? Does it provide the resistance you are aiming for? If not, you may need to adjust the length or secure the handles a little more. Finally, make sure to store your homemade resistance band properly. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. This will ensure it lasts longer and stays in peak condition. In summary, making a resistance band at home involves a few simple steps. Collect your materials, cut the tubing, slide on the handles, secure them with duct tape, and presto, you have a homemade resistance band. Don't forget to test it and store it properly. So there you have it. A solution to your home workout woes, a resistance band crafted with your own hands. Not only does it provide a cost-effective way to keep fit, but it also brings a sense of accomplishment. After all, nothing beats the satisfaction of using something you've made yourself. Now go forth and conquer your fitness goals, one resistance band at a time.